Good evening, friends. I hope your preparation for the competitive exam is going well on track with full dedication and sincerity. And now, friends, 3 to 4 months are left. So, these 3 4 months can change your life. So, please brush up your basics of everything, whether it is of English, your data interpretation, logical reasoning, maths. Please brush up. And I hope that today you have gone through your basics of geometry. So today we will do, friends, some good questions of geometry. Now let's start with the session. See first question. This is from CAT 2000. I have changed the data, friends. The number of triangles with integral side that can be made which have a perimeter of 18. And this is subjective question. You have to write the answer. Weber come with the answer. Simple property. I think that all of you are aware. Sum of any two sides of triangle should be greater than third side. Apply that property. Only one student has come with the... No, Abhishek, it's not a hard question. Basic property you know. Sum of any two sides of triangle. Vamsi has come also with the answer 8. Rajiv 5. So these type of questions you can find as a subjective one, where you have to type the answer 5 and 8. Two answers are... Student are coming with two answers, 5 and 8. Think logically. If the perimeter is 18, Dipanshu has come with a 7. Mostly student 8 and 5. So friends, should I tell you or you will take more time? You want to take more time? 6. Gaurav come with 6. Any systematic way to solve this? Or Rajiv, I will tell you right now. Now friends, see, when I say sum of any two sides of triangle should be greater than third side. Here sum is given, perimeter is given 18. Perimeter means we are aware sum of all the sides of triangle. So that means 18 divided by 2, if I will take two sides, that is 9. Sum of two sides cannot be 9. Because if the sum of two sides will be 9, third side will be 9. Basic property of triangle is sum of any two sides should be greater than third side. Now that means if I will take three sides and sum is not 9, sum cannot be 9. That means I have to start with 10. Because it is integral sides are there. So that means if the sum of two sides is 10, third side can be 8. Now I will write sum as a 10. 8, 1, 9. But is this possible, friends? No, because this is 8 plus 1 is 9 and here it cannot be possible. Now again 10. Here I will write 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. 3 plus 7 is 10 with 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. Rajiv, it is a systematic way. 5 plus 5 is 10. So I have written all the triangles with sum of two sides as a 10 and third side as a 8. And now third side can be 7 also. When it will be 7, then the sum of other two sides will be, friends, 11. How it can be 11? 8 and 3. 8 and 3 is already there. Then other is 7 and 4. 6 and 5. So these two triangles can be possible. Saloni, 8, 9, 1 is not possible. Because 8 plus 1 is 9 and sum of any two sided triangle should be greater than third side. And now here you can write 6. When it will be 6, other two sides will be, friends, 12. And how you can make 12? 8 plus 4 already there. 7 plus 5 already there. 6 plus 6. Only one triangle, 6, 6, 6. After that 5 is already there. 4 is already there. That means only you can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 triangle. Clear, Rajiv? We have to fix the one side and the sum of the two sides should be greater than third side. Now in CAT 2000, now you have to tell me that. Now answer is 7 and only I think 1 or 2 students have given the answer 7. Now in CAT 2000, the question was instead of 18, it was written 14. Can you please tell me how many triangles will be there if it is 14 perimeter? Within 1 minute you have to tell the answer. 14. If the perimeter is 14, friends. Sum of any two sides of triangle should be greater than third side. 14 by 2, 7. It should be greater than 7. Write in same way which I have written. Dipanshu has come with answer 4. Choices were Dipanshu 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the real choices. 3, 4, 5, 6. But again, just go through. No repetition should be there. Yeah, Shivam has come with the answer 4. Good. Gaurav 4. If you are now clear about the concept, sum of any two sides of the triangle should be greater than third side. So sum of two sides should be 8. You have to start with 8. And third side will be 6. Yeah, answer is 4, friends. Like most of the students, they are giving answer 4. What are those 4 options? Sum of any two sides. Like if I'll write 14 by 2, which will be 7. 7 can't be there. So I will write 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 1 and 7 can't be there. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 4 plus 4 is 8. After that I can write 5. And now the remaining sum should be 14. 9. Because for 14, 9 should be there. So only single case will be there. 5 and 4. Clear? Only these 4 triangles will be there. Yeah, Chitresh, both the conditions, like you are saying, difference of any two sides should be less than third side. Or you can say sum of any two sides should be greater than third side. So this is a basic question, and on this property 3 to 4 times there is a question in a CAT. If you can go to the bulletin of CAT 2008, 2004, 2090s also, but in different ways. So very important question as a paper point of view. I think that concept is now clear. Should I move forward, friends? Rajiv, why not 464? 464 already we have written. Rajiv, you can see here 644 or 464, one and same thing. Okay? Okay, Rajiv. Now see next question. The question from CAT 2002. Rahul, same way we have to see. Mohan and Rahul, think at your own way. Funda is same. Sum of any two sides. Perimeter like 15 by 2. 7 and 8. You can take 8 and then you can 7. Very important question. Base for various questions of geometry. But again in CAT 2002, most of the students, they have attended it. But only 5 to 10% students are able to solve this question under time pressure. So Dipta, see next question 536. It is again 563, 536, 653. One and same thing. So Vaibhav have come with option 3. Gaurav has come with option 3. Gaurav and Vaibhav, you have already done this question from CAT 2002. Okay. Gaurav, okay, you have done this. Gopal has also come with answer 3. 3. Okay, students, if you are aware, then this is sufficient time. Should I tell you? There are 2-3 ways, but I will tell you. See, friends. Okay, friends. One thing I would like to tell you. Suppose if you have to mark the answer, you are not knowing how we have to solve. But again, after going through choices, you have to mark the answer. Which choice you will mark? Always you can take a chance. If prime number is there, like 3 and 4, you have to give the weightage to prime number. I will tell you method also, but again I am telling if you want to take a chance. In this, prime number is 3, so 3 will play a major role. And if you can see, in this choice only one multiple is there of 3, which is 12. So you can take a chance in paper also, because 8, 10, 14 is not a multiple of 3, and when you will get the answer, it will come from these figures 3 and 4. So you can take a chance. Now I will tell you how you can solve this. Now you can see, friends, in triangle ABC, AB is given 4, AC is given 3. AD is angle bisector, friend. AD is angle bisector. You know the basic property of angle bisector. Angle bisector divide the angle into 2 equal parts. So it will be 30. And here, what is the starting point? And divide the base in the ratio of their adjacent sides. Clear? Now, one formula is very important. Can you find the area of the triangle? Area, if two sides are given, it will be half AB into sine theta. Those who are not aware, they can check. Area of triangle, if two sided are given, half into product of two sides into included angle, sine theta of that angle. So can we find the area of this triangle? Half into 4 into 3 into sine 60, area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to, what is sine 60, friend? Root 3 by 2. So it will be area of triangle ABC. It will be 3 root 3. Is it clear to everyone? Area of triangle ABC is half AB sine theta, half into product of two sides, included angle. So this is starting point of various questions, friends. Now let's take AD as x. Let's take AD as x. Can I find area of triangle ABD? Again same apply. Half into 4 into x into sine 30, which is 1 by 2, is the area of triangle ABD. And area of triangle ADC half into x into 3 into sine 30. So this will be here cancel, it will be x, it will be 3 by 4x. These two area should be equal to area of total triangle. So what is the area of total triangle? X plus 3 by 4x is equal to 3 root 3 friends. So 7 by 4x is equal to 3 root 3. So x will be 4 into 3, 12 root 3 by 7. So it is the answer. So what I have done, I have applied the formula of area half AB sin theta 3 times. 1 time for whole triangle, this is given area of ABC, and then I have taken two parts, 30 degree, 30 degree. Clear, Anshika? Okay. This is very important, friends. You have to see the, otherwise in the paper most of the students they get stuck off, sir, angle bisector theorem, cosine formula, sine formula, sir, can I take AD as a median, AD as a height? So much it is the best method, otherwise you can do by other way also, but it will be lengthy. And the other way I have told you that simply you can see the multiples, if only single multiple is there, like AC is 3 given, so you can see the multiple of 3 in the question, and in 90% cases it will be correct. But again, only you can do if you are not getting any hint or up. Clear? Now we are moving to next question. Again, very old question of CAT, very old question. Minimum side of rectangle can be 1. I have changed the data. Just go through, tell me the answer. Minimum side of rectangle can be 1 and maximum side can be 5. Find how many different areas are possible given that all the sides are integer in length. Dipanshu we can use, but after doing so, what you will find? You will find the third side. After that, what you will do? After that, you will get stuck out Dipanshu. Again, then in the formula you have to apply cosine formula also. Then you can find. The way I have told you is very simple, applying of sine formula thrice. Minimum side of rectangle can be 1 and maximum side can be 5. Fourth option, Gopal. Dipanshu, you can now go, you can see this video on YouTube and then you can see the explanation. Previous question. Do this question. Fourth option, 15, 4, option 4, 3, 4. Minimum side of the rectangle can be 1, maximum can be 5. Kshitij has come with 3. Okay, friends, in the real exam, okay, let's solve this. Yeah, Anshika, all squares are rectangles, but all rectangles are not squares. So we have to take square also, Anshika. Minimum, like from 1 to 5, I have to write from 1 to 5. That is, I can take minimum side as 1 and maximum side as 5. So minimum area will be, friends, it will be 1 square, which is 1, and maximum area can be 5 square, which will be 25. So what we have to see, from 1 to 25, how many different areas are possible. So simply you can write all the areas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these areas can be possible, 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 4, 1 into 5. What we have to take into consideration, minimum side can be 1, maximum 5, not beyond 5. Then 6 can be possible, 2 into 3 area, 8 can be possible, not 7, 8 is possible, 4 into 2, 9 is possible, 10 is 5 into 2, 11 not 12, 4 into 3, 13, 14, 15, 5 into 3, 16, 4 into 4, then 18, no, 19, 20, 5 into 4, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So these are the areas. That means how many different areas are possible, friends? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12 to 14. So 14 different areas are possible with integer length, with integral length. 1, 2, yeah, Chitresh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 15, 16, 20, 25 and 10. 10 you have missed. Vandana, clear? Like different areas, what he is asking, question examiner. how many different areas. Like you can take how 1 is possible, 1 into 1 is 1, how 2 is possible, 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 3 is 3, Vandana. 6, how is 6 possible, 2 into 3. No, Vinay, you can check. 4 is redundant. Hashmit, I am not getting your question. Why 4 is not redundant? 4 you can find the area, 2 into 2, or you can say 1 into 4. You have to count it once. You have to, how many different areas? Question C question, Hashmit. How many different areas? So 4 you have to count 1. Clear? So there is another way you can do it by permutation, but again for that basic knowledge of grouping should be there. So this is the way you can do that. No shortcut. Hardly it will take around, if you know the question, then simply by taking 1 to 2 minutes you can get the answer. And in exam you are having 1 hour time, so average for one question you are having 2 to 2.5 minutes if you want to do 25 plus question with accuracy of 90%. Clear? Smrudha, when we will do permutation combination, then I will tell you how we can do that. Rahul, if side be 1 to 10, then okay, because in CAT exam the question was 1 to 6. Examiner will not give you. If side is 1 to 10, then I will tell you in permutation combination how you can do the question. It is of the question of integral solution. Now, because in CAT exam questions are there with logic, you can do. You can go to the CAT bulletins also, friends. Now, same next question. Minimum side, same question, 1 to 5. Now question is how many different perimeters are possible. Perimeters twice L plus B, very easy. Like 3-4 students have come with the answer. Yes, good. Second option. Yeah, Rahul. Both for squares and rectangle, because all squares are rectangles, Rahul. So minimum perimeter can be, friends, 4, yes, Ashmit, and maximum can be 20. So from 4 to 20 you have to see all the even numbers. Like if it is 1 by 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, perimeter can be 4. If it is by 5, 5, 5, it can be 20. So that means what we have to see, from 4 to 20 how many different perimeters are possible. That means 4 can be there, 6 and so on till 20. So find number of terms with AP, or you can count it orally, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So from 4 to 20 how many numbers of terms are there? That will be 9. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So 9 different perimeters are possible. Upon what if question asks for larger numbers, then how can we solve it fast? Upon examiner, always you can see in the CAT exam the questions are like that. Ki suppose if any person, whether it's from BCom, from BA, not done maths in +1 +2, mostly 80% questions are there. Everybody can solve if you are good in logic. Again, if examiner want to make you trouble, like he can say minimum side is 1, maximum side can be 20, then better to leave it. Otherwise, if you have a knowledge of permutation combination, in-depth knowledge, then you can do that. Okay, Rahul, minimum perimeter can be, Rahul, 4, because if I'll take 1, 1, 1, 1, maximum can be 5, 5, 5, 5, 20. So from 4 to 20 it can, perimeter can be 6 also, not 5, because for what is the formula? Twice L plus B, and you know if you multiply any number by 2 it will be always even. So odd perimeter cannot be there in the question. Clear, Rahul? So it will be always even number. Okay, 4 can be there, 6 can, how 6 can be there? 1, 1, 2, 2. Now next question, very important question, very important question, friend. It is a real Z question, XLRI. ABCD square is side 10. So most of the students, they are coming with the answer. Third option 24, okay. Fourth option Akshat 24. Third, fourth. Only fight is between third and fourth. Friends, think logically. When it has come in the exam, 90% student, they have come with the answer third option. 90% student, they have come with the third option, 24. Like most of you are getting the answer 24. But 24 is, friend, wrong answer. 24 is a wrong answer, because here the examiner is giving you triplet 6, 8, and most of the students, they are getting half into base into height, 24, 24, 24. Yeah, Anshul has come with the answer 18. Okay, Anshul, let's see. Dipanshu answer is 26, none of these. Mohan is also come with the answer, none of these. Tanvi, none of these. Okay, friends, before solving this, I would like to tell you one thing. I would like to ask you one very important thing, which you can find in a lot of exams. And this is very important theorem. Suppose if I say this is a right angle triangle, right angle at A, right angle at, friends, A, ABC. Now see, forget about that question, we will solve it later on. Very important property which you can use in various question geometry. I'll take same value 6, 8, 10, 6, 8, 10. Now here it is a right angle at A. From A I draw a altitude D. Now I am asking you, what is the length of BD? What is the length of BD, DC and AD? Okay, Tony, 3.6, 6.4, okay, 4. Rajiv, AD is 4.8. Now here, this is basic question similarities. You can prove this by similarity. Friends, whenever you see like any triangle, like this line is parallel to this, or you can see triangle like this line is parallel to this, or you see triangle like this, right angle, or you can see triangle like this, like in this question, or you can see triangle like this, 90 degree, friends, like 90 degree, then all these triangles will be similar. All these triangles will be similar. There's no need to prove why this is similar. No need to prove. So can I say in triangle ABC, triangle ABC and triangle ABD are similar? Triangle ABD and triangle ABD and triangle ABC are similar. So when this triangle is similar, three theorems will be there. Right now I am writing AB square will be BD into BC. Similarly AC square is equal to CD into BC, and third thing is AD square is equal to BD into DC. So these three things will be very helpful in a lot of the questions. Clear? AB square, this is by similarity, like triangle ABD and ABC when you will take, so you will write the similarity theorem. So these three, now when you apply the formula, then you will get BD will be 3.6, DC will be 6.4. You can apply the values over here. But again I will tell you straightway what you can do, straightway which you have to learn. Now I am writing here ABC. Always when you will find, friends, I am telling you very important thing, when you find right angle, whether examiner is asking or not, what you can do, you can draw a perpendicular. Always you can draw a perpendicular 6, 8, 10, and this perpendicular will divide the base into the ratio of their squares of their corresponding side. Like base will be 6 square ratio 8 square, their corresponding sides, 6 square ratio 8 square. So what is the base over here, friends? By 10, it will be 3.6 and it will be 6.4. Always in case of right angle triangle, if right angle is given, from there draw a altitude, whether he is asking or not, and divide the base in their ratio of their squares, 6 square ratio 8 square. Like if I say I am asking, this is right angle 5, 12, 13. Then we why divide 10? Because this is given 10, BC is 10. So this is basically similarity theorem on right angle triangle, Nicholas. So 5, 12, 13, like ABC, suppose if it is given, draw altitude BD, and BD will divide AC into 5 square by 13 and here 12 square by 13. Always, Yeah, Tanvi, divide the base in the ratio of their squares. This is by, if you will prove by similarity, then you will understand. But this is a very large application. So same thing. Why you are saying 24 as a, most of the students they are saying 24 as a answer. Now come to this question, and simply by orally you can do that. I am solving this, friend, here. See friends, square side is 10, 10, 10, 10. Yeah, explain the square. Yeah, Sai Krishna, I am explaining square ABCD. A, B, C, D. Now question is, W is point somewhere between square ABCD. Like if I write W here, such that AW is 6 and BW is 8. So that means, and what exam is asking? Area of AWD. That means he is asking the area of this triangle AWD. Now we know the base of this triangle as 10. If we know the height of this triangle, can we find the area? Half into 10 into height. How we can find? This is a right angle triangle, friends. This is a right angle triangle. 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 10 is a triplet right angle triangle. From there, draw altitude here. This is altitude, and now already we have done this. Altitude will divide the base in 6 square by 10, and this will be 8 square by 10, but there is no need of this. 6 square by 10, that is 3.6. so this is 3.6. so this will also be 3.6, because these both two will be 3.6. Now we know the height is 3.6, area will be 18, so 10 into 1.8. Clear, friends? Application of that basic theorem which I already explained you. Okay, not 24, because what exam I want to show you? 6, 8, and 6, 8 is very easy triplet, and most of the students they will get the answer 6, 8, 10. Sir, 24 is the answer. In exam also, most of the students they have come with the answer 24. So friend, this is very good equation, very good, you can say, theorem. So always when you find right angle triangle, draw altitude and divide the base in the ratio of their squares. Angle bisector, in angle bisector, divide the base in their respective sides, but in right angle it is always the ratio of their squares. Vandana 3.6 कहाँ से आया ये? Vandana, see that from here we have drawn altitude. From here we have drawn a altitude. See, I have drawn altitude. This will divide the base in 6 square ratio 8 square. Like already I have taken this triangle, Vandana. So this will be 3.6 like AO. AO is 3.6. So WK, this will also be 3.6, because these both are altitude. Okay, Vandana? Now, friends, come to next question. Already explained. And whenever you will see these type of triangles, don't prove that why this is similar. SSS, SAS are simply you can assume. How can we say AWV is Sai Krishna 90 degree? Friend, 6, 8, 10 Sai Krishna, when it is 6, 8, 10, you know any number in the ratio 3, 4, 5 is always Pythagorean triplet. Okay, Sai Krishna, when it is 6, 8, 10, that means it will be right angle at here. Pythagoras triplet. Abhishek, because this is not AWD is not a right angle triangle. This will be right angle triangle, and Abhishek, most of the students they can take every triangle as a right angle triangle. So that's why you're getting answer as 24. Because if you know the property, W is not a midpoint of the square. Abhishek, clear? It is not a midpoint. See next question. Two congruent squares A and B. Simple question of squares. Property of square if you know simple. Congruent squares A and B. Congruent square means equal in all respect. Strategies you can see. What is strategy X? Yeah, Rahul, congruent sides will be same. So Rajiv has come with the answer second option. Gaurav second option. Akshat first option. Okay, 17. Others should also respond. Vandana has come with answer 4. Rahul second. Third plus second. Most of the students they have come with the second. Now okay, let's solve this, friends. Gopal has come with the third. Charu third. Okay. Congruent squares. Now if I'll take this as a square A and this is square B. congruent square equal in all respect. So what is strategy X say, friend? Strategy X say cut square A into 4 equal part by taking midpoint. If I'll take midpoint here, that means these 4 pieces will be there. Now I will assume figure, I will take figure as a 2. In both cases side will be 2 2. So that means this will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 1. So 4 pieces of 1 1 1 will be there. Now but because he is asking percentage, so I will take only one piece. The perimeter is 4 in case of strategy X. Perimeter is 4. Now strategy Y says cut squares diagonally like here and here, and we know if the side is 2, this diagonal will be 2 root 2 and the diagonal square bisect each other. So that means this will be, friend, root 2, this will be root 2. So what is the perimeter? 2 plus 2 root 2, root 2 plus root 2. So this will be 2 plus 2 into 1.4, which will be 2 plus 2.8, it will be 4.8, and here the perimeter is 4. In strategy X perimeter is 4, in strategy Y perimeter is 4.8. I am not multiplying because 4 pieces of this will be there and 4 triangle will be there. I will multiply it by 4, it will again be a waste of time. 4 into 4 is 16, 4.8 into 4 will be 19.2, again you will do, because question is percentage wastage. Now what he is asking, those students who have given the answer 20, they have not seen the perimeter strategy X is what percent less than perimeter strategy Y. Comparison is with, friend, strategy Y. So how much it is less than? 0.8. It is less than 0.8, and comparison is with 4.8 with strategy Y. So answer should be 0.8 into 4.8, 0.8 over 4.8, 1/6. And what is 1 by 6? Approximately it is 16.66, or you can say 17% approximately is the answer. Yeah, only 16.66, or you can say 17, because choices are given 17, 13, 20. And those who have done, Anshika, how 0.8? 4.8 minus 4? 4.8 minus 4 will be 0.8. Perimeter strategy X is what? Leave aside percentage, Anshika. 4.8 minus 4 will be 0.8 is less than, and now comparison is with strategy Y. So 0.8 upon 4.8. Yes, Shivam. Like in data interpretation you have done. Yeah, Shiva, you can take 4 as a base, 2 as a base, X as a base. You can take anything. But again, if you think in numbers, it will be very easy for you. You can do it orally. But again, main thing is you have to read under time pressure. What is strategy X? What is strategy Y? Clear? Now move to next question. Nicholas, how root 2? You know square. If this is 2, it will be 2 square plus 2 square equal to diagonal square. 8 equal to diagonal square. So 8 will be 4 into 2. So it will be 2 root 2. Nicholas, basic. Pankaj, how 0.8? You can see I have written here, Pankaj, 4.8 minus 4. Difference is 0.8, Pankaj. Clear, Pankaj? Difference is 0.8. In the strategy Y, it is strategy Y. Strategy Y, the perimeter is 4.8. Clear? Now, next question is multiplication factor concept. Anshika, solve this. If the radius of the given, Anshika, do that question, do present question. Previous question we have explained. Now time is running out and we have to do a lot of question. Nicholas has come with answer 4th option. Okay, Nicholas 54. Let's see. Vamsi has come with answer 3rd option 24, 54. Now we should see more answers also. 3rd option, 4th option, 3rd, 54. I think most of you are weak in similarity concept, friends. Similarity concept you are not able to understand. I will tell you, okay, nobody's come with the right answer. Rahul, I will explain you. You can apply similarity concept, Rahul. If you are aware of the similarity concept, you can apply. And all of you are applying in a wrong way. 45. Only one option is left. That is 34. Yeah, BDO is similar to ABC. Yes. unable to apply. Okay, see friends, see, before this friends, I would like to again come to same question which I have already explained to you. See that friend, I am telling you the concept of similarity. If you can able to understand, believe me, you can apply it in lot of questions in geometry, believe me. Again, what is similarity friends? Again I will go to same question friends. A, B, C, 90 degree. From here I have drawn an altitude AD 6, 8, 10. Now we know the now can we say triangle ABD and triangle ABC are similar? ABD is similar to ABC, and friends, when the triangle are similar, the sides are in same proportions. Corresponding sides are in same proportion. Is it clear? Abhay, your answer is 34 is right. Now see this concept, similarity, concept of similarity. Now simply if you know the side of bigger triangle, 6, 8 is given 6, 8, 10. We know all the sides. It is clear to everyone? I have written all the sides 6, 8, 10. Now come to this triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, what is AB for this triangle? Friends, it will be hypotenuse. So I will write this 6 as a against hypotenuse, because hypotenuse against hypotenuse, base against base, height against height. So I will write 6 here. So how will I will get 6 here? I have to see the multiplying factor, 10x, 6x, 8x. Now 10x equal to 6. So friend, x will be 6 by 10, which will be 0.6. So multiply this 6, 8, 10 by 0.6. It will be 3.6. 8 into 0.6 will be 4.8, and 10 into 0.6 will be 6. So the side of this triangle will be 3.6, 4.8 and 6. What I have done? I have done the concept of similarity. Again, for this triangle, you can see, for this triangle ADC, AC will be the hypotenuse for ADC. Tanvi, I am telling you, same thing I am repeating. For this triangle ADC, AC will be the hypotenuse. I'll write this 8 against this hypotenuse. So now in this case 10x equal to 8. 10x equal to 8 friends. So x will be 8 by 10, which will be 0.8. Now the multiplying factor here will be 0.8. So 0.8 into 6 will be 4.8. 0.8 into 8 will be 6.4, and this is 8. Now sides have, you have come with the sides. So what is 4.8 is common. It will be 4.8. This will be 3.6. This will be 6.4. I have applied the concept of similarity, friends. And whenever in triangle you see one side, what you can do? You can write that side against that side, whether it is base or it is height or it is hypotenuse, and find x and then multiply that x with the other sides. Like in big triangle, you can see in this triangle, big triangle, what is given? In this triangle ABC, all the sides are given 6, 8, 10. I have written 6, 8, 10 here. So for this triangle, this is hypotenuse. So I have written this hypotenuse 6 against here. I think that it is clear to everyone. Clear? Same thing you can apply over here, friends. Same thing. Now I am applying this thing. Now see, this is given, friends, 4.5. This is given 4.5, and this BC is 12. So that means this will remaining will be 3. This remaining will be 3. Now this is again radius from the center. OD is a radius 4.5. Now you can see whether you can apply Pythagoras theorem, dB square plus OD square equal to OB square, but it will take a lot of time. And now you can see 3, 4, 5 triplet in case of ratio 3, 4, 5. Can I say OB will be 7.5, this will be 4.5, 15, 3, 45, 15, 5, 75, 15, 4, 60. So it will be 6. BD will be 6, friends. Triplet of 3, 4, 5. Tanmay, 3, 4, 5. I have taken this triplet 3, 4, 5 because I can see 4.5 ratio 6 ratio 7.5. If you will cut, it will be 3, 4, 5. Otherwise, if you are not getting it, what you can do? You can apply the basic theorem. dB square plus OD square. Then you have to write dB square plus OD square is equal to OB square, and there you have to solve 7.5. So triplet you should, we will write triplet. I will tell you basic triplet 8 to 10 which you can apply in a lot of cases. So now we know in this triangle, can we say triangle ABC? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle OBD. These two triangles are similar. Now we know in the case of bigger triangle, in the case of smaller triangle, the ratio is 3:4:5. Ratio is 3:4:5. I have written here 3, 4, 5. Now this for big triangle, for this big triangle I have known this BC will be 12. I'll write 12 here. 5x equal to 12. Friends, 5x equal to 12. So x will be 12 by 5, which will be 2.4. So what is common multiplying factor? 2.4. 2.4 into 3 will be 7.2. 2.4 into 4 will be 9.6. I am getting with the side. I am least bothered whether AB is 7.2 or AC is 7.2, because I have to find the area. Again I will repeat it to the next question on this. This is given 4.5, friends. 4.5, 3. This is 4.5. I find this because I can see 7.5, 4.5. It can be 6 here because triplet is 3, 4, 5. Very Swati, very simple triplet. 3:4:5. Pythagorean triplets. 5, 12, 13, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 9, 40, 41. I will write the list. I will write the list. So this is 6. Now in this small triangle, the ratio will be side is 3, 4, 5. Same thing which I have explained here. In this big triangle, I am aware this is the hypotenuse. I will write hypotenuse 12 here. 5x is equal to 12. So x will be, friends, 2.4. What is common multiplying factor? 2.4. 2.4 into 3 will be, because 3x, 4x, 5x. It is 7.2. It is 9.6. And now we have get the sides. Half into base into height is the area. So we are getting with the answer. 3.6 into 9.6. It will be approximately 34. Yeah. Sorry, we can assume right angle triangle to be similar one. I have already shown you the diagram. Like if you find this, if you find this, and then we have to apply the similarity theorem. I've told you this because this is very helpful in a lot of cases. Because under time pressure we are not able to write sometime what is base, what is height. Can we say 12 be the hypotenuse? Yeah, yes, Saurabh. Because in this triangle, for triangle ABC, here it is right angle. This is two sides. So opposite right angle triangle, it will be always hypotenuse. Yeah, longer side will be hypotenuse. Opposite 90 degree. It will be opposite 90 degree. That is hypotenuse. Yes. Now, I think that most of students, you have got that what I want to convey the message, similarity. Clear, friends? Again, if you really want to see, then you can go through video on YouTube and then you can see how this is happening slowly. Now move to next question. So the answer for this question is 34. Only 1-2 students are given the answer 34. And here now for this question, detailed explanation is given here, friends. Detailed explanation is given here. You can go through explanation also. Now next question, friends. Now see, I will now write the list of your triplets, Pythagorean triplets, which can be helpful in various questions. Triangles has sides measuring 41, 41, 18. A second triangle has sides measuring 41, 41x. X is a whole number, not equal to 18. Same area, sum of digit of x. If you are aware about the triplets, then very easy 10-second question. Otherwise, Heron's formula, very lengthy. Shivam has come with the answer 10. Shivam, are you sure? Okay, Shivam, let's see. Most students should come with the answer also. Shivam, 19 square. No, Shivam, you have not got the answer. You didn't understand the question, what you want to convey, examiner. I think nobody is coming with the answer. Friends, should I tell you? or you will take more time? Wait for 1 minute. Okay, Vinay. Rahul. Okay, friends. I am giving you a hint. There is a one triplet which is 9, 40, 41. Tell me the answer now. 9, 40, 41 is a triplet. 9, 40 and 41 is one triplet which can be helpful. Yeah, Tanvi, you have come with the answer. Very good, Rajdi. Akshay, now you are coming with the answer. Good. Answer is Vamsi. Yes, answer is 8, 8, 8. Okay, friends. Now I will tell you. Side measuring 14, 40 and 18. It is a isosceles triangle. This is 41, 41 and this is 18 and area is same. Now either you can apply Heron's formula for area and then again for other triangle you have to take third side as x and apply Heron's. It will take a lot of time. If you know the formula from this vertex A, ABC suppose is triangle. From A if I draw altitude and I know this from this vertex, if the right triangle is isosceles triangle, it will divide the base into two equal part. It will be 9. It will be 9, friends. Both will be same 9, 9 because 18 it can be divided into two part 9, 9. So 9 it will be 40. 9, 40 and 41 can be one triplet. 9, 40, 41 it can be divided into two right angle triangles. So area will be half into 18 into 40. This will be 360. Area of the triangle will be 360. Yes. Now for another triangle, what he is saying examiner, 41, 41 and third side which is not 18. Now again same area we have to do 360. I know the triplet 9, 40, 41. I can take this as a, this is isosceles triangle, draw altitude. Can I take this as 80? Because this will divide this into two equal part. This will be 40, this will be 40, 40, 40, 80. So this will be, you can say 18. This can be 18. Sorry, 9, 9, 40, 41. It can be 9, 9, 40, 41. Triplet should be 9, 40, 41. So area of this triangle will be half into 80 into 9. Nishant, how 80? Because I have to make Nishant triplet 9, 40, 41. So Dipta, I have to make triplet. I know the triplet is 9, 40, 41. 9, 40, 41. Here in this case 41, 41. In first case 41, 41. It is 18. I will draw a perpendicular. It will divide the base in two equal part. It is 9, 9 and then 40 will be there. And now in this case I have taken this as a 80 and this as a 9, 40, 41. So area will be same 360. So what is sum of digit 80? For sum of 80 it will be 8 plus 0 which will be 8 and 8 is the answer. Swati, if you know the property of isosceles triangle, it divides the base into two equal part. 41, 41. If I draw perpendicular over here, it will divide the base into two equal part. So I have taken this 80. Why 80? Because then it can be 40. It can be 40. Yeah. Now friends, write some triplet. Very important triplet which you have to learn by heart. Very important triplet you can write over here. Please, you can write. Or you can see 3, 4, 5. Any number in the ratio 3, 4, 5 is always Pythagorean triplet, like we have already done. Ratio, you are understanding a ratio. It can be 6, 8, 10. If you multiply by 3, it can be 9, 12, 15. Multiply by 10, it can be 30, 40, 50. Multiply by 1.2, it can be 3.6, 4.8 and 6. Like in previous question, it can be 4.5, 6 and 7.5. Ratio is 3, 4, 5. For other 5, 12, 13. If one side is 5, 5 square plus 12 square. You know the Pythagoras theorem. This is 5, this is 12, this is 13. 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. Clear? 5, 12, 13. Then 6, 8, 10 already 3, 4, 5, 7, 24, 25. 7 square plus 24 square equal to 25 square. 8, ratio 15, ratio 17. Sai Krishna, 9, 40, 14 is not. 3, 4, 5 is one triplet. All these are triplet. 5, 12, 13 is not in the ratio of 3, 4, 5. Sai. 5, 12, 13 it is also right angle triangle. 5 square plus 12 square sin Krishna is equal to 13 square. You can see that 25 plus 1 44. So all these are very common triplet which you can find in right angle triangles. So 8 15 17, 9 40 41, 10 24 26, then 11 60 61, 12 35 37, then 20 21 29, and last is 28 45 53. You can find, friends, application of these triplet in geometry. Yeah, there is a method also which I will explain you how these triplets are happening. From one number you can make lot of triangles, and I will explain all this in a video. I am making a video of integral solution, Dhaval, and in that video integral solution, then you can see, like in algebra you can find x square minus y square equal to 105. How many integral solution will be there? So this is the application of this triplets over there. So you can see that video within 1 week. Video will be on the YouTube, so you can find integrals. It will be video integral solution, integral, INTEGRAL. Lot of questions are there in CAT. No, Nicholas, these concepts are not explained in the books. I am telling you my experiences. So you should know all these values: 11, 60, 61, 12, 35. These are very three common triplet which you can find lot of exams: 12, 35, 37, 20, 21, 29, 28, 45. Yeah, Anshika, every workshop will be on YouTube. Every workshop. Clear? Now, should I move to next question, friends? These are very common triplet with, you can say, ratio. You can find this. Suppose now if I'll give you example, friend. Okay, simple one question. Suppose if I say in a right angle triangle, if you know diagonal is 119, you know right rectangle 90 degrees their angle. So simply what should come in mind? There will be given one side is 30 more than other, or you can say one side is this much more than other. Simply what should come in mind? 119. In which table you can find 119? You should know also tables from 12 to 19, friends. 12 to 19 tables. 119 is 17 into 7. That means examiner can use these triplet. 17 into 7 is 119. So it will be 15 into 7 is 105, and 8 into 7 is 56. So examiner is using this triplet here. 8, 15, 17. Simply by going through the options, you can see that 119. It is coming in the table of 17, 17, 7. So it is the hypotenuse for the right angle triangle. Clear, friends? If it is given 78, then you should know 78 come in the table of 13, 13, 6. You can get all the three sides. Now move to next question. In a triangle ABC, AB is 30, BC is 40. CAT question again. Data is changed, but question is from the CAT bulletins. And if you think logically, you can also get the answer after drawing a diagram. No need of doing. See choices. Samruddha has come with the answer first option. Let's see. Draw the diagram, friends. Tony has come with the fourth option. Yeah, Tony. Nicholas maybe one. Palash fourth option. Draw diagram and then you can see what can be the answer. Yeah, Pan has come with the fourth option. Saurabh first option. First and fourth is the choice. Fourth option. Now friends, we are running out of time, so should I tell you now? Tell me, should I tell you? Fourth option. Okay, now see. Triangle ABC, AB is 30, BC is 40 and AC is 50. AB is 30, BC is 40, A, B, C. This is 30 given, this is 40 given, AC is 50 given. Perpendicular draw from B. From here we have drawn perpendicular. Straightway, friends, that should come in mind. It will divide the base into two equal part. 30 square by 50, 40 square by 50. Already we have discussed. A circle of radius BD. Now BD is a center with B. Radius BD, center B is drawn. We can draw a circle like this. Now it cut AB and BC at P and Q. Now friends, if you think logically, I will solve it also. But again, if you think logically, can you tell me this BD is radius from this center? This is radius BP, BQ is radius. Is it clear? All these are radius. And if, can you tell me, he is asking AP ratio QC. AP should be less than QC, because from 30 if we will deduct same thing and from 40 we will deduct same thing, AP will be less than this. Is it clear? So that means if AP is less than QC, so answer should be less than 1, fraction should be less than 1. Now can you see the choices? Only 4 choices give the fraction less than 1. 1:1, 3:2, 4:1. Simple by logic. Simple by logic we have done this. I will again repeat. This side AB is 30. From AB if I will deduct PB, and from BC if I will deduct BQ, these both are radius. These both are radius. So if that means AP will be less than QC. So fraction should be less than 1. Otherwise what you can do, you can find BD. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, now what is method? You can find BD. BD will be 24. Area of the triangle. You can find this also. This also. This is 30 square by 50. This is 40 square by 50. This will be 900 by 50. This will be 18. This will be 32. This will be 24. Triplet 3, 4, 5. You can see friends. 18, 24, 30, 32, 24, 40. 3, 4, 5. Triplet are there. Simple. And now if from 30 we will deduct 24, it will be 6. From 40 we will deduct 24, it will be 16. So what is 6:16? It will be 3:8. Again application of that theorem which are already done. Shivam, I have told you the way. If all the options are less than 1, I have told you the way, Shivam. You can find this BD. BD is at 24. Clear? Or simply this is one of the way you can find all the sides and then you can find BD. Or other way, what you can do, you can find the area of triangle 30, 40, 50. Vandana 24 not clear. Already we have done the theorem. Vandana, we have already done the theorem. Vandana, in starting 30, 40, 50, from there we have drawn altitude. Vandana, 30 square by 50, it is 40 square by 50, and this will be again in 3, 4, 5. So Vandana, we are short of time, so you can see in the initial on the YouTube. Now next question is very good question again. Don't solve it thoroughly. See options, see, think logically. Nicholas, okay, I will tell you after completion of this slide. Draw diagram, think logically, otherwise you have to apply the formula. Because friends, in CAT question, most of the question you can see choices are very vague. You can go through CAT bulletins, CAT 99, CAT 2000, 2001, 2, and you can find a lot of geometry question, and simple theorems are there. Application part, if you are logically good, you can do 8 out of 10 very easily. Measure of angle APB. Anshika, it is angle APB is 120 degree. M means measure of angle APB. When you draw diagram, angle APB is 120 and angle APC is 150 degree. Gopal has come with the answer first. Gopal, have you solved or did you think logically? Gopal, how have you solved this question? Rajdeep, logically, very good Gopal, good. There is no need to solve. Again, we have started with the first question. Sum of any two sides of triangle should be greater than third side. Yeah, Tony, answer is first. Most of students, they will apply the cos formula. Like Rajdeep, Jagriti, Kshitij, Dhaval, have you solved it or by applying the logic? Yeah, answer is 32. 32 is the right answer. Yeah, do the diagram, seems like 32. Very good. Good. Okay. See friends, detailed method is there in the last. I will tell you, like those who have not come with the answer. Yeah, Jagati not. Simply you can see P is a point, triangle ABC. P is a point, PA. Like if this is P, PA is 5 and PB is 6 and PC is, this is 8 unit, and this angle is given friend 120 APB, this is given 150 and this will be 90, because total should be 360. Total should be 360. So this is very clear. 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 10. Now don't apply cosine formula, otherwise you can find third side also. Like, I think that all of you are aware about the cosine formula, or should I tell you cosine formula? Initially I will tell logically. 5 plus 6 is 11. This side AB can't be greater than 11. This will be less than 11. It can be 10.99. But it should be less than 11, because sum of two sides, 5 plus 6 is 11. That should be greater than third side. I have taken it as 11 on a higher side. 8 plus 5 is 13. That means AC should be less than 13. So that means if I'll add that 13 plus 11, 13 plus 11 plus 10, it will be 34. So our answer should be less than 34. Yeah, Rajdev, difficulty is when the options are very close together. Then we have to apply the cosine formula. How Anshika and Vandana, how 34? I have taken sum of any two sides. 5 plus 6 is 11. For this triangle, two sides are given 5 and 6. Third side cannot be greater than 11, because condition is sum of any two sides should be greater than third side. Yeah, cosine formula I will tell you. Like those who are not aware, suppose this is triangle ABC. Two sides are given. Suppose this is given 5, this is given 6, and this angle is given, suppose 30 degree. We have to find third side. So third side, C square is equal to 5 square plus 6 square minus 2 into 5 into 6 into cos 30. Like I will write here in term of ABC. If this is A, B, C, small a, small b, small c, these two sides are given and included angle is given, theta. These two sides are given, included angle. So we can find third side. C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB into cos of theta, cos of included side A and B, cos theta, cos of C. Clear, friend? Cosine formula. C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2B into cos of theta. Again, for this question, explanation is given with cos formula also. You can see detailed explanation is given how we have find the sides. If you want to see, you can go through that formula. Cosine rule. AB square equal to AP square plus BP square minus 2AP. Clear? Logically we have done, and by other way also. Now, do another question. Yeah, Rahul, logic work in CAT. CAT is totally logical paper. Not a so much knowledge is required, but if you are good in logic and your reading in habits are good in reading, understanding of language, believe me, anybody can crack the CAT. Basic understanding should be there, friends. Rahul, you can see the CAT bulletins, real CAT bulletins, CAT 99, 2000, 2001, 2, 3, 4 till 8 bulletins are there. Then you can see questions are logical. Now friend, do fast. Suppose those students who are not getting the question and they have to mark the answer. I have already told you in the initial question, triangle ABC, 3, 4 side, you have to give the weightage to prime number. Here the prime number is 41. And see choices also if you are not able to solve, not understanding what we have to do. Now everyone has to mark the answer without solving. You have to do the guess. 41 is a prime number and you have to see answer is in a whole number. Yeah, most of the students they are coming with the answer second option. Why second option? Because 41 into 4 will be 164 and 164 is only given here. Yeah friends, you can take a chance. Answer is 1640, but I will tell you where also. You have to see if the answer is in whole number, figures will be cancelled. And how it will be cancelled? You have to see the figures in a question. And we have to give the weightage to prime numbers. Because prime numbers, we can break the prime numbers. So, answer is second option. All those who are given answer second option, simply by going through options, I think that nobody have solved the question. Okay, now I will tell you the way also, friends. Now you can see basic property. We know the formula. If you know the area of trapezium, half into sum of parallel side into height. Now what is isosceles trapezium? Isosceles trapezium, non-parallel sides are equal, friends. Non-parallel sides are equal. What is non-parallel side? This is 41, so this will be 41. And what is radius? Radius is given 20, so that means height of the trapezium will be 40. Diameter will be the height for this. Now take this as a x. This will also x because the tangent from the external point are equal. You know the basic theorem of the circle. Shivam, I have taken this A is x, AG is x. Why? Because it is the tangent from the external point A. A is the tangent, AG is the tangent. Both will be equal. GD. So this total will be 41. So GD will be, can I say 41 minus x. So DF will be also 41 minus x, because again these will be tangent from the external point. Take this as y. So this will also be y. Same application. So this will be 41 minus y. This will be 41 minus y. Now you know the sum of parallel side. You know the height. And now you can apply the formula, friends. What is the formula? Half into sum of parallel side. What are sum of parallel sides? X plus y. This is one side. What is the other side? Plus 41 minus x plus 41 minus y into height. What is height? This is height. Diameter, which is 40. So this will be cancelled. So half into 82 into 40 will be the right area. This will be 41 into 40. So what is 41 into 40? 1640. So answer is 1640, friends. So half into sum of parallel side, trapezium, area of trapezium. Basic formula you should know. Otherwise it is very difficult to prove each and everything in exam. Basic theorems. Bashir, 42 as a prime means choices are given, and you know which number will, because answer, you can see answer is in a whole number, not in a decimal. So that means how you can get the whole number from these two values. So what is the Bashir important role which can play? 41 will play important role. So what is 41? Prime number 41, and you can see the multiple 41, 154 not, 174 not, 156 not, only 164, 41 into 4. So you can take a chance if you're not getting in the exam method. So it can be 90% chances that you can get the right answer if only one multiple is there. Okay. Now friends, this is sufficient for today. Time is over. It is now 8:30, and I request all of you just brush up your basics, friends. Basic theorems, sine formula, cosine formula, what is centroid, what is orthocenter, what is circumcenter, what are the theorems of this, angle bisector theorem, basic theorems, what is the Apollonius theorem, theorems on circles, on equilateral triangles, what are in radius, what are circumradius. These basic tools you should know. And angle bisector theorem is very important in a CAT. You can see a lot of questions on angle bisector theorem if you will go through the bulletins. So brush up your basics of each and everything, whether it is your, you can say friends, math or your DI. Don't do difficult questions. Think logically, think in a symmetric way, see choices, how examiner is writing the language, what are the numbers which he is playing with. So if you get the knowledge of these numbers, and always see, which I have told you, the application of prime numbers, always see prime multiples in the question, see ratios, see triplets in geometry, how you can make the right angle triangle, draw altitudes. I have already told you, in a right angle draw altitude. Clear, friends? Lot of things are there. So I think that I should also come with the one more session of geometry in which we can do the practical application. Clear, friends? Thank you friends. Okay, what is the decent number of attempts in quant to score 90, Shivam? Shivam, out of 32, if you score more than 20 right question, that means you will get the 19th percentile. If the paper is of the moderate level, if it is easy, then you have to score 25 plus in easy, because last 2-3 years math is very easy in CAT exam, very easy. Okay friends, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Okay.